Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border style with group value. Quickly, let's get back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the doubled CSS border doubled. Let me change this now to group. Right now we'll be discussing about group. So let's specify group in our document, in our border style right here, and save our document. Let's see what we got. Reload your document. Can you see? Now we are having this red border. Can you see the way it looks? It looks like 3D something. It looks like 3D. If you look at it very well, it looks like 3D. But let me increase this border. Let me give it 6 pixels so you can see how it looks very well. Can you see the way it looks? It looks like 3D. Can you see? Can you see? So the type of border we are using right now is border style of what? Groove. Let me increase it once again so you can see how let's give it 100 pixels. How it looks. Can you see? Can you see how the grooves looks? Can you see the groove? The way it's looking. It looks nice, right? So that's why I do that. So please try to practice this. Can you see how the groove is looking? I've mistakenly closed our document. Let's reopen it again. Let's open it with our VS Code once again. So this is groove. I purposely give it this percentage on this size so you can be able to. We haven't discussed about this much, and we have been discussing about it also in our previous tutorial. If you notice very well, but I purposely bring it up to this manner so you guys can see what I'm talking about clearly. So let's give it 50% again, 50 pixels, so you can see how it looks again. Can you see? It's like 3D something, right? So I think I'll be using our border in this manner so you can be able to see how it looks, the difference between it every time. So let's use it also. We can specify this again inside another element. Let's reopen this. Sorry, let's reopen it again. We can specify this with let me bring this back to this place, and we can specify this with our can use this in our fit set element. When you use this in our fit set element, reload your document. Can you see how our fit set element looks? Can you see how it all looks? Can you see? And also you can do something again to this. We can use only the one that is having the fit set class, like this element that is having only fit set class right here. Save your document and see what we got. Let's get back. Can you see? Can you see? It's having this cool looking. Even the background is showing underground. Can you see? It's looking nice, right? Even we can do something. Let's get back to this place. We can even remove the background. If you don't want it, the background image, you can remove it. Let's reload. Can you see how it looks? It's looking nice, right? Even we can remove our color right here, our legend color also, if you want, just to see how it looks. Confirm how it looks for you. Can you see how it looks? It's looking nice, right? You can do much more with this because this is so nice. Even you can remove the color also and it will have a gray color. Can you see? Everything removed. So the group value, I've tried it in many ways for you guys so you can be able to understand how it's working perfectly. So I will leave this in 50% so you guys can be seeing how the border is looking, so that in case you want to use it in your document, let me give it 30%, let me give it 30%, so in case you guys want to use it in your document, so you can be able to be aware of it in case you need something like this. This is what you are going to use. You are going to use groove. This is groove, the CSS border of what? Groove value. So Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Peace.